Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat for you, man. This is just a killer 1969 Ford Mustang true Mach 1 car. Sorry, got traffic coming in here. Factory Raven black car. Factory red interior, you know how rare that is, in just a stunning car. True Mach 63C, which is your code for the Mach 1. It's an original M code car. Now it has a all professionally built 427 FE block that's been stroked to 484 cubic inches. It's 514 horsepower. Dyno sheet for it. Southern Automotive did the engine. Bill Parham, I believe is the gentleman's name. A lot of people will know that name. He did a lot of the engine building for those super, I can't remember what they're called, those little Cobra cars. A beautiful car. Car's been in Georgia its entire life. 59,000 original miles on this car. Unfortunately, he passed away. His daughter's been the caretaker of this car. It's been on Summit Racing's catalog. It is stunning. Wicked cool car, guys. It's actually was restored, it looks like around 2010. Sorry, somebody's just handprint there. But very well maintained car, guys. Front and rear spoilers. Gorgeous Raven black paint. It's got the blacked out hood treatment on it. This thing is slick. Dual sport mirrors. This car is just stunning, man. You'll be hard pressed to find a nicer Mach. It's got the rear window louvers, rear spoilers. And again, the kicker for me, this is a factory black car. This isn't a green car painted black. Beautiful car. And this thing's a monster, guys. This thing rocks. This isn't for your average guy who wants to go cruising. This thing will get you hurt. This thing's fast. New rubber all the way around at BF Goodrich Radial TAs. It's got 15-inch chrome Magnums. It's got all stainless exhaust on it. Look how, I mean, the paint looks wet. Looks like you can, you know, if you stick your hands on it, you can get black paint on you. Beautiful car. Oh, you know what? I do have some paperwork for this car too. I've got the blueprint and the dyno sheet for the engine. I've got the title from 1984 when this guy bought it. There's also an article on the gentleman's daughter. You can Google his name though, and you can see that Southern Automotive. That'll tell you who he was. Again, 427 FE block. It's got dual Holley 600 CFM 4 barrels on it, polished intake. I mean, it's got polish and chrome everything here. Demos, camshaft. I'll make sure I get everything into the ad. Ton of money spent on the internals. Ceramic headers, you can see it's got the finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers, H-beam rods, Hypertech pistons, Edelbrock polished aluminum water pump, manual steering. It's a horsepower car, guys, and manual disc brakes. When you want to go fast, that's what you do. Top loader 4-speed with an 11-inch ram clutch. MSD box is mounted underneath here. Pretty car, man. Well, look at the paint on this car. The Georgia Summit sticker, we left that on there. I'm not a real sticker guy, but I thought that was pretty cool because of the story of this car. Again, he's owned it since 1984. This is a remote mirror. I mean, it's a hard car to pick, man. I love this car, man. Door skins are nice and clean. You can see it's got the original door tag on it. They say the majority of this interior is actually original. Remote mirror. I love the black with red. If you watch my videos, you know I love this color combination. And it's factory. Bucket seats, center console. It's got the wood grain. It's got the Cobra steering wheel on it. Headliner's in great shape. It's got the old sun tack on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 59,877 on the odometer. That is supposed to be correct. Factory dash. They did put a Retrosounds radio in it. Hurst shifter. Flowmaster stainless exhaust. It does have the frame tied. It's got a 9-inch 350 traction lock rear end in it. It is a baby doll, man. New tank. Looks like they put a quarter on that side. Actually, look, I think it's had quarters on both sides, guys. Nice car. Nice underneath. Door skins are clean. Pretty car. Seats are nice. Love this color combination. Oh, they put seat extenders in this car too. Nathan's 6'4" in there, and that thing, he's 6'4", and he's got plenty of leg room in there. I have to move, I'm 6'2", and I have to move from the seat forward. I don't know if you're going to hear me, it's been locked. This thing is bad. If you couldn't hear me, it's got seat extender in there on the driver's side. Nathan's 6'4", he's got plenty of leg room. I'm 6'2", I actually have to move the seat forward. Gauges are all functional, holding good oil pressure. Fit is excellent on the car. Radio works, blower motor works. Is there a sport lamp switch on it? It's okay. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.